Hey y'all, so today I'm back to do another review on Smash Mallow. Previously I did a review on all of their flavors because I actually had an incident with Smash Mallow and I reached out to them on social media and they're really nice to me and they just like resent me all of the flavors in the package to try this. So I decided to do a video on it and I just went to Whole Foods trying to get that Amazon Prime discount and I found this new flavor of Smash Mallow. I think it's called Mocha Chocolate Chip. So I'm gonna be trying it out for y'all today.
My world is spinning. That booty give me double vision. I can't get enough. Baby gave me more. That juice is my stuff. Oh, 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 baby, your booty.
So the very first time I tried to eat a Smash Mallow, I think the bag I had was like expired or... Oh, this smells really good. There was something wrong with the bag, so like they tasted really bad. So I'm really actually happy that Smash Mallow reached back out to me and let me try them again. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't be here right now trying this mocha chip flavor for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it and tell you guys what I think. Wow. I was thinking that this is the best Smash Mallow out of all of the flavors because the mint chocolate chip, it's good, but the flavor is just kind of like aromatic, but the espresso flavor in these marshmallows, it really is apparent from the moment you take a bite into them, and then there's little chocolate chips inside, and I feel like this is like a standalone marshmallow. Like, you really don't need to eat it with anything else. You can just eat it and enjoy it because it has so many different flavors to bring you. If y'all had tried Smash Mallow before, please let me know down in the comments section. So I really didn't read the bag before I purchased them, and now I think that like if anyone was reading this bag, they might just buy them because it's like, can you smell that? Dark, rich espresso bean, roasted to perfection, and then infused into each creamy puff. It's a flavor mashup that you can't resist. There's only 80 calories per serving, which is just 4 marshmallows. So, I mean, it's kind of like a... this is kind of a low-calorie snack, but it's not really. Because if you think about it, you're just eating a bunch of sugar and flavoring, but still not that many calories. I feel like this marshmallow has, like, so much more potential than all the other Smash Mallow marshmallows because this could go on ice cream, it could go on coffee, it could be a standalone snack, it would taste great in s'mores. I really do like this. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great day and don't forget to like and subscribe.
What it do? What it do? What it do? I wanna see her twerk. I wanna see her work. I wanna watch it move all day long. I'm in love with you, baby, baby. Can you give it to me? Can you show me how to work my in ya? That booty spinning round and around and around.